Hi, my name is John Weymouth, and I'm the president of MEDiSURG, and we offer a variety of courses for ophthalmology, for biomedical technicians, and for surgical OR staff. We have courses on the Alcon Centurion, the Alcon Infiniti, the Alcon Constellation, and they are designed to help you do your own preventive maintenance and to do your own basically solving problems in the OR yourself. For the surgical staff, we have videos that help you learn how to set the machine up and actually how to do your own troubleshooting. So if you're interested in learning about our courses, please contact us and we'll be happy to get you all the information you need so that you can become independent and self-sufficient.
My name is Stefan, and I've received my training at MEDiSURG. And when you're going into the OR, you like to be confident, and MEDiSURG gave me that confidence to take care of my job when I go into the OR.
I just got through with MEDiSURG training here in Indianapolis, Indiana, and I just wanted to give these guys a shout out. It was very, very informative.
And then MEDiSURG's in-person Alcon, Constellation, and Centurion PM Plus training. MEDiSURG offered a welcoming and engaging environment where they gave me all the tools and knowledge I need to be able to service both of these devices.
John and everybody here has been great. I've got everything that I need now to feel very, very comfortable with the Centurion PM and repairs.
Through MEDiSURG training, I now have the confidence to service these machines and help with any on-site problems during any cases. So thank you, MEDiSURG.